Just look at this creamy, cheesy, irresistible baked ziti. It's the kind of pasta dish that makes you want to grab a fork and finish the whole thing in one sitting. And the best part, we'll make it together in no time. So let's get started. Let's cook the pasta. Today I'm using a full 450-gram packet of ziti, and we'll boil it until perfectly al dente. While that's cooking, let's prepare our delicious chicken sauce. In a large pan, heat 6 to 7 tablespoons of oil, add 1 big chopped onion, and saute until it turns golden. Now add 500 grams of minced chicken. You could also use beef or mutton if you like, but I'm going with chicken today. Cook it for 5 minutes on medium heat until the color changes. Time for the seasoning. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Add salt to taste. 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a touch of basil, and just a dash of oregano. The aroma already feels like pure comfort food. By now, the pasta is ready. Drain it and set it aside. Back to the chicken. Keep cooking it until golden, then add half a cup of chopped carrots, 3/4 cup marinara sauce, and 1 cup of fresh tomato puree. Mix everything really well. To take this gravy to the next level, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, totally optional, but worth it. Pour in half a glass of water, cover, and let it simmer on low heat for 10 minutes. Once done, add 1 chopped green capsicum, stir it in, and turn off the flame. Mix this rich gravy with boiled and drained pasta. Then cover and keep it aside. And now comes my favorite part, the twist that makes this baked ziti extra special. Instead of the traditional ricotta filling, I'm making a creamy bechamel sauce with cheddar cheese. Trust me, this little change makes the dish unbelievably rich and cheesy. In the same pan, melt 5 tablespoons of butter or oil, add 1/4 cup of flour, and roast until fragrant. Slowly whisk in 2 cups of milk, making sure there are no lumps. Keep mixing until the sauce thickens. Then add 2 slices of cheddar cheese, or any cheese you love, a generous pinch of cilantro, along with a sprinkle of black pepper and a pinch of salt. And just like that, our silky, creamy bechamel sauce is ready. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a casserole dish, spread a layer of pasta, pour some of that creamy bechamel, and top it with mozzarella. Add another layer of pasta, more sauce, and finish with a generous blanket of mozzarella. Cover with foil and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then uncover and bake at 190 degrees Celsius for another 5 minutes, or until the cheese is beautifully golden. And here it is, my creamy, cheesy baked ziti with a delicious twist of béchamel and cheddar. Just look at that gooey cheese pull. It's impossible to resist, and your kids will love it just as much as you do. This recipe makes 2 whole casseroles, perfect for family dinners, or for saving some for later, though I doubt you'll have any leftovers. So tell me in the comments, what are you doing while watching this recipe, and where are you watching from? I'd love to know. Until then, take care and happy cooking.